Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your GPU driver is current and noting VRAM so you know limits. Then, quit heavy background apps that use GPU memory. This frees immediate headroom. Once done, open DaVinci Resolve and switch GPU processing to your dedicated card in Preferences to ensure it uses the fastest memory. After that, lower timeline resolution and enable 1/2 or 1/4 proxy settings so Resolve loads lighter media. This reduces texture and cache demands right away. Next, you optimize internal Resolve settings to prevent memory spikes. Turn off high-quality debayer for RAW clips and choose a more compact render cache format like ProRes Proxy or DNxHR-LB because smaller cache files use less VRAM. Make sure render cache is set to smart and generate optimized media for heavy clips so playback uses lighter files. Also, reduce UI playback quality and disable OpenFX or heavy fusion comps you don't need. Since each effect to finish, clear both render cache and optimized media and then restart Resolve. This releases stuck GPU allocations and often fixes persistent GPU memory full errors. If your project is still heavy, consider offloading work. Export heavy nodes as intermediate clips, simplify node trees, or use an external GPU for added VRAM. If those options are unavailable and problems persist, make sure to toggle preferences to use CPU for certain compute tasks as a fallback, which trades speed for stability but gets you back to editing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.